Today's wig comes from Myfirstwig. This is their 4-in-1 pre-maxed wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached with pre-cut lace, pre-styled, and invisible lace. It's on. The hair did come styled, but I decided I wanted to wash it. But it does come styled beautifully. I just want to say this hair, after washing also, is 10 times better. Like, it's so pretty. There's so much body. It's lightweight, comes pre-colored. This is what the hairline looks like. I haven't done anything to it, not even glue it down, so right out the box. I really love the hair texture in this hair. It's just super silky. Hopefully you can. This is what the finished result looked like. I think it turned out really pretty.